kids, ready na ha? Okay, ready na yung music natin? Okay, pakipatay po. Yung aircon, oo nga pala. So ma'am, lipat na lang natin dito. So Kuya Clown, pakikuha na lang nung cake, Kuya. Yan, dito na lang natin sa harap, ma'am. Okay, para ma-blow lang ni Saysay yung cake. Ayan, kasi medyo malakas yung yung aircon. Kaya namamatay yung dito na lang, ma'am. Pwede rin dito, ma'am. Yan, dito. Yan. Okay, kids, ha? Sabay-sabay tayo. Kuya, ready na ba? Okay, ready? And 1, 2, 3, play the music. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. One more time, sabay-sabay. May kasamang palakpak, sabay-sabay. Happy birthday. Sabay-sabay. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sabay-sabay. Okay, pose. Paki-pose. Okay, ate, Saysay. Okay, pagbilang ni Kuya Mario ng 3, blow your candle. Okay, bago mo blow, okay, ano muna wish mo? Close your eyes. Pikit mo na mata. Pikit mo na mata. Oh, close your eyes at make a wish. Oh, wish ka muna. Ano gusto mo? Oh, pag tapos na, okay na yung wish mo, pwede mo nang blow yung candle mo. Okay, ready ha? Oh, ready na? May katabi ka pang manok dyan ha? Oh, ready na, Tishay? Natawa rin siya. Oh. Okay na. Oh, sige, ready na, Tishay ha? Okay mo. 1. Oh, pagbilang ng 3 ha. Blow na ha. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and blow.
Blow na. Bukas kasi naman.
Lakas, Ate Shay, lakas.